Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do unboxing of a very fun plinking blaster, right? Okay, so got this from Batam, yeah, Indonesia, Batam. And yeah, let's do the unboxing and have a first impression how it goes. I'll be using my special knife here. I had this from Singapore quite some time, I think more than 20 years ago. It's very sharp. Yeah, it's real cutting tools, I think. Okay, so let's get this open up. I don't know how to use this actually. Okay, so let's open this up. That's it. Thank you so much. That's as far as this one goes. So what do I have in the box? This one, well, for those that cannot get access to steel firearms, this is the next best thing to get the impression of shell ejecting, well, handguns. Okay, and this one says here Glock. Okay, this is not a real steel. This is a foam flinging toys. Okay, but it looks like a Glock. It feels like a Glock, but it's not a Glock. So let's open this up. So that's in the packets, guys. Oh, bonus. Right. Okay. We got a safety goggles there. Thank you, sir. Put that aside. So this is the thing. Okay. Feels like plastic, obviously. Well, cheap plastic. This one costs for about yeah, thank you. We'll talk about this. This one costs for about 150,000 rupiah, for about maybe $10. $10. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, feel like a cheap plastic, but I think the size is 1:1 to the real thing. I've never touched the real thing, but yeah, it comes with this silencer, superior performance silencer. Nothing to it, right? Just goes there by friction. Yeah, no, it just snapped by friction. But I don't think the silencer is needed. Oops. Yeah, I don't think it's needed. Okay, so that's the thing. So this one, what makes it special, it has these shells, guys. So these shells, while we open it, I think I need to use proper cutting tools later. What makes it special, what makes it different from our usual Nerf brand, is this shell ejecting. Okay, you get like, how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You get 8 of this.
9.
No, it's 8. Hey, it's 9. Really, John? 9. Okay, how many is this? It's 8, right? It's 8, John. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And this is a very small foam. Can you help me get a Nerf dart? Just for comparison, yeah. This is very small. Very small. And okay, I'll show you a comparison to a Nerf dart. So this is a Nerf dart. This is the foam. You see, it's very tiny. Put it in my hand. It's very tiny compared to a Nerf foam. It's not even, I think it, yeah, just compared. So it's there, guys. Very small. But to be honest, you may not need this. Why? I'll tell you this short while. Okay, this one goes here, right inside the shell. This is like the projectile of it. Okay, it goes there, and then this one, let me put the blanks too. So the sensation of putting a single stack projectile to it. And then this one, and lastly this one. Right. Hopefully I get this right. Okay, I get this right. So 8 inside, and then okay. Thank you, John. Another one. So it's already not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 8 with this one. It's quite full already. 8. Okay, that one's blank. So what's good about this? Goes there, and I'll show you in the firing. Just a moment. Let me set up the camera. Alright, guys. So we got the magazine loaded, and this is here. Okay, this is a shell ejecting, toy gun. Okay, so what you do is you cock it, then fire. For sure that one's blank, right? And then this is the fun part. It ejects the shell, guys. So you fire that one. John, excuse me, John. Yeah, thank you. So it ejects the shell. Where's my camera? It's not coming to. Okay. So it ejects the shell, guys. So this is the fun part. For example, let me put another. Let me squeeze the trigger again. So that one's firing, and then it ejects the shell again. Well, you don't, like I said, you don't need the projectile itself. The sensation of this is getting the shell ejected. Like that. Okay, don't lose it. How many shells have you ejected? 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, thank you, John. Again, guys, this is firing blank, no projectile. And then another shell ejection. Oops. Okay, I think that's misfit there. Yeah, that is a misfit. Okay, so all of that, one misfit inside.
What?
There you go. So again, the fun part of it is this shell ejecting. You don't really need the projectile to get the sensation of it, but for sure it will shoot very low FPS compared to the Nerf style, yeah. But okay, let me take a moment to reload this again, and then we can have it firing again. It says 1/6. Can you see that? 1/6, but actually 1/6, right? 1/6, but actually it's one stack, but we put 8. So it's not complying to itself. Let me put one projectile inside. One projectile. The rest. So again, in terms of quality, well, it's way low compared to any of my Nerf. Okay, but why I think you should get this is the sensation of ejecting the shells. Okay, that's the fun part. So let's see again. Oops, the last one is very hard. Okay, all 8 inside there. All 8 inside there. Put it to the gun, to the blaster. Don't say gun, right? Or did I get it wrong? I think I get it right. Okay, there. Okay, and then you can just that. And then one is ready. Fire. This is the ejecting. Okay, it's very fun. In terms of the controls, all of this seems like a real one, seems like legit. But again, the sensation is for the shell ejecting. And we're out. Alright guys, so that's a short video of this. This is quite a fun plinking toys. For sure, this is not a competitive use for, but for plinking to get sensation of again the shell ejecting, this is a good option. Right guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Love you all.